Hey guys, this is Noy here. I got a 2003 Infiniti G35. Amp won't come on. There's no sound. Comes on from time to time. Anyways, we just replaced the amp. And in order for you to get the amp to come back on, you have to cut the car off. While you cut the car off, you're gonna have to have the other hand on the power button and holding it down before you put on to ignition 2. So once you put onto ignition 2 all the way, everything should come on while your finger is holding on the power button, and then eventually the sound's gonna come up like so. So you'll hear the sound in a little bit. Pressing the channel to look for a signal, and as you can see, you're gonna have to hold my hand's tied right now, so I can't really show it to you how it's done, but remember, turn this off, hold down the power button, turn it to ignition 2, and then the sound will start coming on and the amp turns on. All right, thank you for watching.